So, when I usually work on these, I almost always say no. I got Sea-Doo. I call them Sea-Don't because they don't do nothing. No. No, really, I don't work on them. Just because, I mean, I really think you got to be a contortionist to work on them. I mean, it's crazy. So, but there was a neighbor lady, and she asked if I would work on it, and she only used it like twice. Felt really bad for her. So I said, well, yeah, I'll look at it. So I started looking at it, and I realized, oh, it's a starter. I know it's a starter. And not thinking, I just tore into it. And so this is a Sea-Doo. It's a 98 Sea-Doo. And it's a Sea-Don't. So it's a GTX model. You know, it's one of those Rotax engines. It's a Bombardier engine. It's a, you know, BRP made it, which owned, you know, what do I say? It was owned by Johnson Evinrude. Of course, they shut them down. But anyway, so what I'm talking about is this thing. You have to literally, to get to that starter, is all the way down there, and basically you got to take this exhaust cone thing out. You got to take your intake I guess they call it manifold. I'm not sure what the actual terminology is for, but you got to take that off and to get the starter out. And it's just ridiculous what you got to do on this engine. You know, I mean, it's a cool design, but they could have put this starter up here. I mean, it's dumb. Like, if this ever filled up with the water, then, I mean, I know it's a sealed starter, but it's pretty much taking your starter out. So, that's what I gotta say about that. Lately, I've just had one crazy, seems like it's all over the map. It's not anything simple, you know, which they never are, and that's fine. But, you know, some of the stuff that I've been having to do lately, a lot of weird stuff. Not like your normal stuff. Like, yeah, it's a starter on a CD, and I should have said no. I don't know. I felt bad for the lady, and I mean, she's a nice lady, so I just didn't, you know, I was like, I'll take a look at it. Next thing I know, I'm tearing into it because I'm an idiot. You know, I should have told her, yeah, you got a bad starter, you can probably just take it someday. And of course, she probably had to pay a lot of money to get it fixed. Because, I mean, it's a job, man. I mean, I don't see, even if you did these all the time, I don't see how you're not doing this. It's not taking you 6 hours to change the starter. Literally. I don't know how. You know, maybe it's a lot less than that. I don't know. Somebody that works on them, they may be able to do it pretty quick, but not me. I mean, this is a pretty big job, honestly. So anyway, that's what's going on. You know, we got other stuff happening. It is what it is. A lot of times you can repair these. These are easy to repair. Just gotta get that out. Come on. There we go. It's coming. See, so like, you know, it kind of looks like a helicoil, but this thing goes in the spark plug wire. So this one I'll just have to bend back. These are really robust, but these make a good connection. And the difference between what you would buy at, say, AutoZone or, you know, auto parts dealer is that this is stainless steel. This won't rust. Whereas, like, a coil wire that you got from an auto parts place, you won't be able to see it, but down inside there, that is not stainless steel. At least I don't think so. And if it got condensation in there, it would rust. Now you could fill up the boot with with some dielectric grease, but that's not a good repair. So anyway, there's that, and then I have a fellow YouTuber brought me some parts over that he didn't want, and this was kind of funny. Yeah, there's that engine. He brought me this 35 that wasn't running, and they couldn't get the they saw my video, and I guess they couldn't get the starter out, and he asked me, he's like, man, how do I get... Well, he didn't do this, but his buddy did, and he knocked a hole all the way in here to get the starter out, when all he had to do is remove the carburetor and pull the starter out. So anyway, he gave me this motor and was like, you can do whatever you want with it. So I am going to probably use a couple of parts off of it, because I've got that 35, the series that I started, and then I had to just kind of stop because I got really busy. But yeah, isn't that crazy? It's like, why did you do that? But I ain't hating on him. Probably obviously didn't care about it, didn't think he could fix it. I don't know what to think about that. Another thing that's really interesting about this 35 that I'm looking at is, you notice how big this is on this one? Like, it's almost like it's way bigger. See, that's normally what you see. It's like they're not. This one's got this big, wide, lower unit. It's pretty crazy. I've never seen that, so I don't know. That was a different year. What was going on with that? But that one definitely is pretty. It's really big. So anyway, I'm gonna pull some parts off of that. I guess it's got a good power head, but the problem is that this mid-cowl is damaged, so he did give me another piece of cowling. I guess he went and bought, but then he just gave up on it, so I don't know. I don't know if this is one I'll mess with or not, or if I'll just take all the parts off of it and have parts for a 35 if I ever get another 35. So, but yeah, there's no reason to do that. There's no reason for that. If you can't get something out, or you don't know how it goes, don't just destroy it, Anyway, some of the stuff that I got going on, it's kind of slowing down, which, I don't know, we got some things happening maybe later on in the week, and if not, that's fine. But I am going to try to get caught up on some things, so I don't know, I guess going to have to order spark plugs wire kit for this one. So we'll just deal with it as I get it. So I guess thanks for watching. Till next time. We'll see you guys later. Thanks for subscribing.